In a previous video, I explained and demonstrated how to use a mobile phone to download images from S9, edit with Lumix Lab and print from the mobile phone with Canon Print app on Canon Selphy photo printer. In this video, I'm showing a much simpler process where you don't even need a mobile phone. When the camera is connected to the printer's USB port, the camera starts charging a process. That is, the selfie printer can be used as a power source to charge the camera, even when the printer is powered by its own battery. A very convenient feature. The PC storage is to be selected on the camera menu when the camera is switched on. At this point, the printer automatically shows the last image on the camera, and you can use the left arrow and right arrow keys on the printer to navigate back and forth between the images. You use the up arrow button to increase the print copies value. You can select multiple images with various copy numbers and print all of them in a single print batch. Press Edit and then OK to go into the cropping function. You cannot change the 3:2 aspect ratio, but you can change portrait and landscape format. When you navigate away from the photo that you have edited, the printer will remember the cropping settings for each photo. The global settings are applied on all photos in the print batch. These global settings are the glossy, borderless, page layout, where you can select 1 up, 2 up, 4 up, 8 up, index, shuffle, then image optimize, on off, brightness, color adjustment, and you can select my colors, or you can disable it: vivid, neutral, positive film, sepia, black and white. You have the option for smooth skin, enable, and then corrected red eye. And also you can print the date in a prominent, a subtle way, and you can also select the date format. Also, you have the option to print the file number in a prominent or subtle way. Navigating between photos takes about 2 seconds of delays, so this was the reason I mentioned in my previous video that selecting a photo from several hundreds of photos on the camera is terribly cumbersome. For that scenario, use the Lumix Lab app on the phone or tablet. Now I press print to start the printing process. The display shows that this is the first image, the first photo being printed out of the second, but in the meantime I just recognized that my tray is empty, so I wonder how the printer is going to handle this situation that during a batch printing the tray is empty. Again, this is a coincidence. I didn't prepare, I didn't want to demonstrate this. This is what I call, in a French word, malheur. Yes, no paper or cassette, incorrectly inserted, check paper, cassette contains paper, that is corrected. Okay, so I will just fill the cassette. I have here another package, contains 18, I mean the whole pack contains 6 packs of papers, each of them containing 18 sheets of paper. It is that simple to load. Okay, it recognized that I did something, and here you go, it automatically detected there are papers and it is printing the second photo. So as seen, the image quality is really high, and also the date is printed there in a prominent format, and I don't see the file number. I don't see the file number. Where is it printed? Yes, the date is printed, but the file number, I cannot see the file number. Where is it printed in a subtle way? Let's check. in the menu, change settings, yes, date is prominent and file number is subtle. I don't know why it wasn't printed. So this direct USB linking is meaningful only when you reduce the number of photos on the camera SD card. That is, you should prepare this kind of direct from camera printing. This is an amazing possibility that may work fine for some people or might be totally cumbersome for others. Nevertheless, just keep an USB cable in your bag in case you might need it. Remember that the high capacity battery of your selfie printer could even be a backup power bank for your wonderful Panasonic S9. Anyhow, so that was it.